plugs and see how they look. We'll start off with number 1. Ooh, hot. Let's pull it out. Let's get a magnet. Let's go check it out a little bit closer. Yeah, timing looks pretty good. It's a little bit rich, but that's on the safe side. But now if we measure the spark plug gap, it's actually much more than I remember it to be. That's kind of maxing it out. 0.032. I'll bring it down to 0.028, maybe 0.030, and see how that goes, and we'll do another few test pulls and see if it's still breaking up. Here's a little bit better of an angle. It's almost at 0.033 or so. Definitely a lot of gap. Like I was saying earlier, timing actually looks pretty good. Same with the richness. It's a little bit too rich. As you can see, the porcelain, still plenty of white up top, but just the very top, if you look down in there, it gets pretty black, meaning it's a richer mixture of fuel. But let's give this thing a few taps and get it to about 0.028. Hey, look at that. That's almost perfect. And that's about 0.28, maybe 0.29, somewhere right between. So I'm actually liking this pretty good. Very tip touches at 0.03, so somewhere around there, 0.028 or 0.29. Let's do it to the other 3 and go out for another test run. One definitely looks like it could use a little bit more timing. Richness wise, it's about the same. This one looks just as rich as the other ones. Timing looks a little bit better than cylinder number 2, but not as good as cylinder number 1. But overall, pretty good. Now let's gap it. .034. And that's a little bit too much. .031. That looks about good. This one looks about the same, could use a little bit of timing. Fuel mixture looks a little bit rich, but on the good side. Well, the spark plugs are back in. Cruise and see how it does. Alright, so we got the spark plugs gapped. Got them all in there. All the wires connected. Everything underneath the base seems pretty good. This is the intake box. Take her out on a cruise and see if she feels any better.